Divide 489 by 3 in a long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 8 and it is 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. On subtracting, we get 0. So again we put down this 9 and 3 times 3 is 9. On subtracting, we get 0. So 489 divided by 3 is 163. So this much for today and thanks for watching.